How to fix Snapchat name not showing on your Snapchat. Of course, today guys, I have the solution how to fix this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open the settings of your phone or your device. Then you will open apps or application, and you will search for Snapchat here. When you found Snapchat guys, you will open it like this, and here be careful, go to storage and go to clear data, clear OK, and go back and click first tab and click OK, and then you will go back to Play Store and update Snapchat again, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.